Editing used to mean hours in a timeline, fighting with keyframes and endless rendering. But what if you could just talk to your footage like a director? Today we're looking at Google Gemini Omni Flash, a tool that is fundamentally changing how we create, edit, and scale video content. Here's the problem with AI video. Until now, most AI video generation was a one-and-done affair. If you wanted to change the lighting, the background, or even just the on-screen text, you had to regenerate the entire clip from scratch. It was frustrating, expensive, with credits, and frankly, a huge time sink. That changes today. Let's create a video for Splendor Travel, an example company. The magic of Omni Flash lies in 5 key pillars. First, we have the conversational multi-turn editing feature. The model remembers what you did 5 minutes ago, and you can simply ask it to change the lighting to sunset, make the character look more professional, and other things. It applies the change while keeping the rest of your scene consistent. Second, it's any-to-any. You can feed it images, audio, and text simultaneously, and it synthesizes them into a single cohesive output. Third, it has a unified world model. It actually understands physics, gravity, fluid dynamics, and spatial geometry. So your video looks real, not just like a series of sliding pixels. And fourth, you get native audio and text synchronization. It knows how to rhythm match your music to visual cuts, and it generates branded text that stays perfectly locked to the action on the screen. And fifth, for the developers out there, the Stateful Interaction API allows you to chain these edits together, creating complex, automated production pipelines. Montage for Splendor Travel's new trek to Edinburgh, featuring the Edinburgh Castle and the Scott Monument. And I provided some images and the logo for Splendor Travel. Now, Gemini already does an excellent job of creating video, but I've chosen in this case kind of the montage option. There are a bunch of different options that you can choose. There's even, noir. There is, a video game style option. But in this case, I wanted to choose montage. You can play with those. Okay, and there we go. Great job there. It's incorporated the images that I've given it. Now, let's say I wanted to add more images to the video. So I've added images of Scottish Parliament and King's Gallery, and I've asked it to recreate the montage. So this is our edit. Okay, and it's going to go ahead and create that. Now let's watch that video. Yeah, looks good. It even incorporated in, this is from the previous shot. It still has those tourists in there. And again, you can go in and edit that visual as well. Now I'm going to incorporate some video of St. Giles Cathedral. Okay, so I've asked it to incorporate that into the video and recreate it. And again, it's kind of taking that clip and it's going to add the video in. Okay, let's watch that. And as you can see, we've incorporated it in the shot. So this gives a flavor for, in this case, a travel video for a travel company. Why does this matter for your business? 1, marketing and ad iteration. You can create a master product video and then instantly generate a dozen variations, swapping out locations for text or for different regional campaigns without hiring an entire production crew. 2, scalable training. you can turn a boring internal PDF or rough audio transcript into a polished visual walkthrough with perfect timed text overlays, making your training content actually engaging. And 3, pre-production. Creative agencies are using this right now to turn scripts into visual storyboards in minutes, giving clients a clear vision of the final product long before cameras even hit the set. We aren't just watching videos anymore, we're talking them into existence. The bottleneck of content creation has officially been broken. If you're ready to start experimenting, check the link in the description to get started with Gemini Omni Flash. Thanks for watching. This is Frank from Obelisk. Get your copy of the AI Automation Handbook. Click the link in the description below.